trying to ride the bike or not?
Yeah.
Come on, let's hurry up. What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new. Back with another video for you. And today, it's gonna be a banger video, guys. All right, you know why? Because we just snuck out on my cousin's daughter's birthday party to ride the e-bike and a scooter. We're serious about this, okay? As you can tell. I don't even think I introduced my cousin officially. This is Jam.
What's up?
His real name is Rob. It's been like a ongoing like inside joke where we both call each other Bo Jam. So that's where we get the Jam from, all right?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, and you gotta tell them too, God Inspired Media.
Oh my God. Also, also,
by the way,
this is the cousin I was telling you guys about who's partnering with me on the God Inspired Media. That's our sponsor for the channel, all right?
Yep.
Stay tuned, more developments on the way. All right, here we go. This is dope.
yeah. You gotta go right here.
Right? Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Look at how tiny that bike is, guys. Oh my goodness. All right, go. Woo, yeah. Get it, Jam. Let's see what you got. Bunny hop off the curb. Let's get it. Get it. I'm right behind you. Cinematic shot right here. It's like GTA, I'm third person. Here we go. I'm the camera. Nice, Jam. Yes. This is tight. Little spur of the moment ride. Here we go. Nice, Jam. You got like 3 feet of air that time. He's out of breath.
The dad fit. You know what I'm saying? This is like my party planning outfit. Today's my daughter's birthday, by the way.
That's how you know we're dedicated, okay?
You know what I'm
This is
saying?
his own daughter's birthday and we are sneaking out of the joint.
Bad Dad Association.
All right, the ride continues. Let's go.
We can make a left where it says don't make a left. Okay. Oh! Look, Jam. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yes! That was clean. Don't let right. That was nice. You can see my camera work. Look. I'm trying to get that straight shot. Straight shot. Yeah. Let's get it. Okay. Now the curve. Up the curve. Yes.
Freestyle. Urban freestyle.
Yes. Yes. You got like 3 foot of air.
This is fun.
Y'all out of here?
What's up, man?
Man, I appreciate y'all sliding through, man.
Yeah, man. Drive safe, all right?
Drive safe.
Ready? Go ahead. Why did you do a running start? This bike is so freaking small. Ooh, bunny hop. Yes, Jam. Yes. That scooter is so freaking fast. I'm thinking about making this bike faster. We'll see. This thing is slow. All right, I want to see you hop that scooter.
All right,
And we're gonna get a real nice shot. Let's do this, Kurt, right up there. I'm gonna set up the camera and everything.
Right up the sidewalk then? That drop right up to the second.
Not this one. Right here. Yep. Here we go. Oh, you are flying. Oh, that was clean. I'm gonna go right behind you. I'm gonna go right behind you. Let me get a little head, like, let me get some speed. Hold on. Here it is.
We can go down this alley right here.
All right. That was freaking fun. That's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if so, hit that like button, all right? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until the next video, deuces. Like.
Yeah.